gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on. Hey! Yahoo!
It's a celebration.
Yahoo!
It's a celebration.
Can't you idiots do anything right? According to this, your track record for spreading evil is pathetic. Ooga ooga, it's not our fault that Ratchet Bandicoot is to blame. I will not let anything stand in the way of evil, especially not a brainless orange marsupial. Crash must be eliminated.
Ooga Ooga, need I remind you that Crash always finds a way to defeat us? Maybe he's just too good for us.
Enough excuses! You 5 idiots need to come up with one good plan! Or else... How do I get into this situation?
Much better. Son, it's murder today.
I swear, Clank, I'm done with all that hero stuff. Now let somebody else save the universe. I need a little me time.
If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that...
Looks like Rocky's scouting out the competition, trying to pick on the weak ones. On your mark, get set, go. Rocky's already taken somebody in the curve already. Looks like we got that express hardware out there. Sorry, Rhino, you're done, buddy. Rocky's kicking you in the curve as well. You gotta keep going, guys. You gotta keep going. Rocky's gonna give you your chair on the way out. What a gentleman. Ninja skills. No way, baby. Oh, those of you had your money on baby. You can take your chair away.
Okay, only 3 left.
Wow, he's picking on the girls. Looks like he's calling on the entire band.
Rocky, you're cheating!
Pull out Price Harbor skills.
Please welcome musical entertainer.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
Hey, stop staring. Haven't you ever seen a dragon before?
Hang on, slow down. My name's Ratchet.
Hi. I'm Spyro. What are you? Some kind of cat?
I'm a wombat.
Oh, sorry.
Hi, I'm Lenny. Oh, little buddy, did I scare you? I'm sorry. Wake up, wake up. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna get you out in a jiffy. You just keep holding your breath, little wormy.
Yo, Lenny!
I'm coming, Frankie!
Well, move it. Come on, Pop's waiting.
Here we go. Gotcha. Okay, buddy, you're free. Now escape. Go.
Don't stare at my spots, Benny. My eyes are up here.
Oh, of course, I'm so sorry. Oh, this is for you, honey. It goes around your left.
Did you get that out of the trash? Oh, you did, you little trash picker.
I'm not a trash picker. I'm a recycler. That's a lot more romantic, isn't it?
Romantic? Romantic? Oh, don't mention romance to me, Benny. I've never had a boyfriend.
Great, that settles it. I accept the job. I'm boyfriend number one.
Benny, only the female orb weaver spider will date a male 1/20th her size.
So there's hope.
And cheat.
Huh?
Matter of fact,